Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial in Canva. Guys, I'm going to show you how to make the corner of images round. So let's say I'm going to take the picture here of this flag and I want to make the edges round. You don't have to put this in any shape. For example, you know that you have these shapes right here. Let me go ahead and show you. Go to elements and you'll go to shapes. You don't have to use these shapes, guys. You don't have to scroll through these shapes to find anything and add them in. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on the image, and here the upper section here you'll have these options. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. You have corner rounding, so just simply go ahead and just drag it to how round you want it, as you can see, and that's it. Bring it to 100 and it does the job for you. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how to make the corners of your image round in Canva. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.